TikTok for network marketers, is this another platform that we need to be on in order to grow our network marketing business? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video, and I'm going to be sharing with you 4 tips that you can have in order to go viral on TikTok, because yes, I do think it is a platform that you want to get your hands on. And hey, if we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. On this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same strategies I've used to hit the top ranks in my company. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, TikTok. Guys, oh my God, another platform for us to learn. But here's the thing, and this is why I'm gonna tell you why I think you need to be on TikTok, but then make sure that you are staying, because I'm gonna tell you 4 tips on how to go viral on TikTok. So think about Instagram, right? Instagram many years ago, it was just for the kids, and we were all on Facebook thinking like, okay, Facebook is where the next, where the 40-year-olds need to be, and we weren't paying a lot of attention into Instagram, right? Well, guess what? Instagram is obviously blown up, as is TikTok. So right now, yes, TikTok is for the young. However, the people that are getting on it right now, it's kind of like that wild, wild west. So the people that are getting in now are getting the exposure, are gaining that following, and the sky's the limit. Like, people are going viral with one video. So imagine what that can do for your network marketing business, right? So yes, I do think that it's another platform that you need to get on. What I will say is it's a fun platform, all right? It's a platform where you can truly be yourself. You can be silly. You can be funny, and you want to be able to give value, all right? So my 4 tips for you on TikTok is to make sure you are niched down. Guys, you wanna make sure that you have a brand. I've seen a bunch of network marketers on there, and basically what they're doing is they are spamming TikTok with their opportunity and with their products. That's not what you want to do. You really want to use attraction marketing in order to build your TikTok brand and your following, okay? So what does that mean? Whatever you've created your brand for, because you guys know that I'm all about branding yourself and not your network marketing company, bring that over onto TikTok. So 80% of the time on TikTok, you want to provide value. You want to provide entertainment, right? And then 20% of the time over on TikTok, you're going to sprinkle in your product and your opportunity in a funny, clever, creative way as well. All right, the second thing about TikTok and how to crush it is you want to be consistent with TikTok. It's like all social media platforms, right? You get what you put in. And if you're just showing up once in a while on TikTok, you're not gonna have success. Just like if you're just showing up once in a while on Facebook or Instagram, you're not gonna have the success that you want. So with TikTok, it is about consistency as well. So how many times a day should you be posting on TikTok? I would say between 1 and 3 videos a day. Now, they don't need to be perfect. They don't need to be like this grandiose. And I guess my mantra for today is done is better than perfect. And the same thing can be true for TikTok, all right? Done is better than perfect. It does not need to be this perfect video. All right, my 3rd tip for you to go viral and to actually have it being a monetizing platform, not just a fun platform, is you need to make sure that you have your other social media links connected. So right now at the time of this video, what you can do is you can link it to your YouTube channel and you can link it to your Instagram channel. So I do think it needs to be full circle so people can follow you and find you on other social media platforms. Because TikTok, it's it's just like people are just scrolling through, and so they have to find a way to find you. You also want to make sure that your brand, whoever you are, is consistent throughout Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, right? So I recommend using the same profile picture. I recommend using the same wording so that there's this consistency. There's this overall brand to who you are. All right, now the other thing is you want to have, I've seen a lot of times where people are putting their number for the opportunity, like, hey, text me over here. Well, I don't know about you, but I really don't feel comfortable giving out my cell phone number to God only knows who on Facebook, on Instagram, or on TikTok. So how do you fix that problem? Go and register for a free Google number, and if you do feel inclined to put your number on there, make sure that it's a Google number, make sure that it's a hidden number, right? And the other thing that I would say is, because there are a lot of young people on TikTok, I would definitely make the disclaimer that you only want people that are 18 and older. You only want people that are business builders, that are willing to work and put in the hard effort. You can start doing some of that qualification before you actually get on the phone with them, or before they actually connect with you on social media, by putting in some of those disclaimers into your description, into your hashtags, however you feel comfortable. And then the fourth tip that I have for you to go viral is to make sure that you're using the hashtags that are trending, right? So it's the trending hashtags. It's very similar to Instagram in terms of the trending hashtags and how to find yourself and how to be found on TikTok is by using those trending hashtags, right? So my question for you of the day is, are you on TikTok? And if you are, drop your link below. Let's all follow each other. I'll put my link as well. And then I do have a very free resource, because TikTok is very much a video platform, which can be overwhelming and scary for so many people. So I've got a free resource for you on the 10-minute income worksheet for you on how to have the confidence to press that live button, how to have that confidence to overcome that fear so that you can be showing up on video. Because if you're not doing video, whether it be TikTok, whether it be YouTube, whether it be Facebook or Instagram Lives, guys, you're leaving money on the table. So make sure in the description that you have got that free resource that I have for you, so that you have the confidence, so that you can go live. It's in the description for you. And then I want to make sure that you are tuning in every single week for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on that notifications button so that you get alerted for each and every video that I put out there. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. We'll see you next week.